Soft, fluffy, and homemade rolls stuffed with veggies and baked till it gets a nice crust. Let's start with the recipe. For the dough, we will take 2 cups of plain flour or maida in a bowl. Take 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 cup of warm milk and 3 tablespoons of salted butter. It should be melted. Basically, microwave milk and butter together for 10 seconds. If milk and butter are at room temperature, microwave them for only 5 seconds. Now stir the mixture together for 5 to 8 minutes or until a sticky smooth dough has been formed. It is perfect if it sticks to the mixing bowl. Now cover the bowl with a film or a tea towel and allow to rise at warm place for 60 to 90 minutes in winters. Otherwise keep at room temperature for 45 to 60 minutes. For the filling, take veggies of your choice. Take a pan or kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil and to this add 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped green chili. Give it a stir and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now the onions have changed the color. To this I have added capsicum in the pan. 1 tablespoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric, totally on to your taste. Mix well and let it cook for next 5 minutes. Now I am adding 6 big olives sliced and I will cook it for 1 minute and then I'll keep it aside to cool down. Now unwrap the dough and check the progress of how much it has been fermented. As you can see, the dough is completely fermented. Dump out the dough onto your kitchen counter. Use your hand to knead for 3 to 5 minutes or until it's smooth. When kneading the dough, try to roll the dough inwards like I am doing here. Using a cutter, cut it into 8 fairly equal pieces. Use your hands lightly oiled if needed and carefully fold each piece of dough onto itself, creating a miniature round balls. Now let's start making the first roll. Flatten the dough into an oval shape. Put 1 tablespoon of filling at the edge and top it with some cheese. To wrap, grab the sides of it and roll inward. And now from the edge, roll the dough and push the stuffing inside gradually and keep rolling it. Keep it aside and let's start with the next roll. We will follow the similar process for all the other rolls. And place the filling on one edge of the flattened dough. I really like the cheesy flavor in these rolls, so I am adding some cheese to it. Pull both the sides inwards in the similar way. And now from the edge, Roll the dough and push the stuffing inside gradually and keep rolling it. You can definitely add these rolls to your menu for a house party or a get together with friends. Place rolls on a baking tray for baking. Cover the rolls with a cloth and keep it at warm place for 30 minutes. Use 1 tablespoon of melted butter for glazing. Sprinkle sesame seeds and parsley for garnishing. It looks beautiful and tempting. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and then bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. If you don't have oven, no worries, you can bake using a wok or kadai. Add salt or sand into your wok, preheat for 15 minutes and place a stand over it. And then place a tray of rolls over the stand and bake for 30 minutes on low-medium flame. Please be watchful of the hot kadai or wok and be very precautious when handling with it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel Vegelicious by Misha.